Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. I know I haven't posted anything since a long, but yeah, I will not give you any excuse, but all I can say is you will see a lot of videos from now on this channel. So subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Yeah, and for today's video, like a comeback video of mine, I have decided to do a full face of new makeup. I have bought some product a month ago and I was supposed to do a haul, but then I didn't make a video, so I thought it's irrelevant to make a haul right now. So I thought let's try the makeup products together right here. So yeah, today I will do a full face of new makeup. I will be trying out the makeups with you guys now right here, and I will be creating this look right here. But yeah, before that, if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button right next to it so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. And with that, let's dive into the video. Okay, so for skin prep and primer, I don't have any new product with me, but for lip balm, I have this Plum lip balm right here with me. It is the Plum Candy Melts lip balm in the variant Red Velvet Love. And I have been using this primer from quite a long time now, and I would say it's not a repairing lip balm, it's more like a moisturizing lip balm. Like, it won't heal your chapped lips, but it keeps your lips hydrated and moisturized. So yeah, that's my first impression about this product. Next up, for foundation, I have two options with me. One is this Lakme 925 primer plus matte foundation, and this NY Bay Runway something foundation. Actually, it's a multi-purpose stick. It's you can use it as foundation, contour, conceal, color corrector according to your shade and your preference. So for today I won't be using this, I will use this. And let's see, I have matched my shade online and I haven't used this, so let's see if it matches me or not. Yeah, it's quite a good match. Well done. Wow. It's slightly dark for my neck area. I mean face and neck. My neck is slightly lighter than my face, so it's not matching my neck perfectly. So for beauty blender, I have this Mars beauty blender with me. I don't know the exact name. Anyways, I will put the name and the shade and links of all the products in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And as you can see, it's fresh and clean. I haven't used this yet, so let's see how it blends my foundation. The foundation is slightly yellowish for my skin tone. I mean the undertone is slightly yellowish. I think the foundation is, the undertone doesn't match me. The shade match is perfect, but the undertone doesn't match me. It looks slightly orangey. Let's see if I can fix this with the concealer and the contouring. But the beauty blender, it performs really well. It blends effortlessly. I didn't have to put a lot of efforts while blending. It does its jobs very nicely. Okay, for concealer, I have this Insight Pro Concealer Palette. You can see it's a concealer wheel, and you have the correct color corrector, contour shade, concealer shade, and also other shades according to your skin. If you are a makeup artist, you can easily use this on so many skin tones. It will work on so many skin tones, like from dark skin type to light skin type. You have concealer for every skin shade, and a contour shade right here, and a orange color corrector. For concealer, I will use this yellowish shade right here for my brightening my under eyes, and for contour I will use this shade right here. I will take a flat brush like this and pick up the shade and apply it where I want to highlight. That is inner corner of my eyes, the outer corner. Always remember, less is more, and apply a very little product at first, then you can always build it up. So never apply too much product at first only. Also I'm applying it on my forehead, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, on my chin to highlight those points of my face, and also slightly on my cupid bow. And with the other side of the brush I'm taking the contour shade right here and I'm placing it above the hollow of my cheek, and I'm doing the same on the other side of my face. Now with the help of the same sponge I will first blend the concealer. I'm considering the price of this palette, the blendability and the coverage, and the formula is so good. I mean, I highly recommend this palette. Now I will blend the contour and you can see how easily it blends into the skin. Just like that. Like it's going good till now. I'm liking my base a lot. The cream products work really well for me. The foundation, the concealer palette, a thumbs up for me. Also the blender. Okay, for powder I have this Mars Trend setting powder. It's a loose powder. It's in the shade matte translucent, and you can see the packaging is so gorgeous. I mean, it retails for rupees 150. I guess I got it for 100 or around 100 rupees. I will mention the price in the description box. But look at the packaging, and the quantity is quite good. Okay, my cream products are all blended and now it's time to set it, and for that I'm using this Cups and Lashes powder brush, and I'm pressing the powder under my eyes. Okay, so I have completely set my face, and as you can see it does mattify your skin, but the only complaint I have is it says it translucent, but it's not translucent, it has some amount of coverage. So yeah, that's the only problem I have, because it's white, it has a whitish kind of coverage which I don't like, and other than that it does mattify your face. Okay, I did use cream bronzer on my face, but I don't have any powder, bronzer, blush or highlighter, anything. So I will quickly do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, my face is all done. Base looks good. And moving on to the eyes, we don't have any eyeshadow, but we have a kajal right here with me. It is the Color Bar Intensely Rich Kajal. I haven't used this kajal, and I'm thinking of doing the reverse cat eyeliner, which is so trending right now. So let's see if I can do it or not. If you have seen any of the video, it doesn't have any fragrance. Any of the video, they just line the bottom lash. They took a small flat brush like this to smudge out the kajal. And extending it outwards. Yeah. And on the inner corner also. What do you think? Let me know in the comment box below. I think it looks quite good. Okay, I will quickly do other eye off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I'm loving the eye look. Whoever started this trend, it's genius, genius. If I can find the video, the actual video who started the trend, I will definitely leave the link of the video on the description box. And moving on to the mascara, I have the Seri Cosmetics mascara right here. I have heard quite good things about this mascara, but after buying this I get to know this is not a waterproof mascara. I like my mascara to be waterproof, but yeah, let's see how it performs on my lashes. Also it says it's a express lash volumizing mascara, so it's supposed to provide volume on your lashes. Okay, scrape off some product. Okay, after first coat it definitely not giving me any volume, but yeah, it separated my lashes and gives some length. Let's see, let's apply 2 or 3 coats more and see how it works. Okay, so after 2-3 coats it's definitely not volumizing. It gives you a lengthening effect, slightly lengthening effect, and separates your mascara. It looks gorgeous. I mean, good for daily use, but definitely not giving any volume. So let me quickly apply it on my other eye. And the wand is so bulky, I mean so fluffy. No matter how carefully you apply it, you will get it on your lids and your lower lids, and it's so messy. I'm not liking this mascara at all. After an epic fail with the mascara, thank God we have new lashes with us. It is the Caloris Foaming Eyelashes, and it's a set of 3 eyelashes with which you get a free glue, eyelash glue, and it retails for around 400 rupees. I guess you can get it on Amazon. It's so good, so good. I mean, so good deal. And I will apply the middle one, I guess. Yeah, so let's quickly apply it on our lashes and see how it looks. They doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, considering the price point, 400 rupees for 3 mascara and a glue, it doesn't feel it cheap at all. I am in love with the eyelashes. I mean, it took the whole makeup from here to there, and yeah, I'm loving them. And the last step is lipstick, and for that I have 2 lipsticks right here from Inside Cosmetics. It's their non-transfer lip color, one in the shade 01 Joyful, and the second one is in the shade 05 Cocoa Plum. So for today's look I will apply this shade. Obviously I will apply a nude shade today. Can you see how gorgeous the color? Also it smells like caramel, and the shade is close match to caramel. See, it's caramel color and it also smells like caramel. Okay, so I'm done with the look. I will quickly do my hair and put on some accessories and I will be right back. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, with that I finished this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also you can follow me on my social medias. I will put the links in the description box, and I will see you on my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.